Hello, and welcome to Xtalks Spotlight, illuminating insights from subject matter experts and industry thought leaders. I'm Sonia Hunt. In this episode, we're asking the question, how can you create an effective fusion of innovation and safety in the fields of medical information and pharmacovigilance? With more, here's Vera Kovacevic.
Thanks, Sonia. The intersection of innovation, technology, and patient safety in pharmaceuticals has given rise to transformative changes in medical information and pharmacovigilance. This dynamic landscape is marked by the integration of cutting-edge technologies, real-world evidence, and patient-centric approaches. Pharmaceutical companies are navigating the challenges and opportunities presented by AI-driven analytics, wearable devices, and patient-generated data, redefining how adverse events are detected, reported, and managed. Striking a balance between harnessing the power of digital ecosystems and ensuring regulatory compliance remains a central concern. In this Xtalks Spotlight edition, our featured guest speakers will discuss the rapid evolution of data analytics and AI-driven insights in medical information and pharmacovigilance. They will share how to strike the right balance between leveraging these advancements for more proactive safety monitoring while maintaining compliance with evolving global regulations. We're delighted to have Valerie Huh, Associate Director of Global Innovation and Implementation for Medical Information and Patient Support Contact Centers at ProPharma. Valerie is a versatile scientist and pharmacist with 20 years of experience in pharmaceuticals, pharmacy, and clinical research organizations. She is committed to improving healthcare outcomes through innovative communication strategies. We're happy to have Priyanka Dhingra, Senior Pharmacovigilance Manager, Regulatory Intelligence and Submissions at ProPharma. Priyanka is a pharmaceutical professional with over 15 years of experience in various fields, including pharmacovigilance for drugs, biologics, medical devices, and vaccine safety, as well as the fields of regulatory intelligence, medical information, pharmacy benefit management, quality management systems, training, compliance, and clinical and retail pharmacy. Valerie, I'd like to start off by asking what you see as challenges to AI.
Of course, I believe AI faces numerous challenges that require our attention. To highlight a few, regulatory authorities worldwide are behind on the governance structure of safe public use of AI, and AI technology is rapidly advancing and widely proliferating without standardized industrial guidelines. Data privacy and security are other concerns as AI relies heavily on the data, and it can be difficult to handle sensitive data like healthcare information responsibly and securely. Currently, we are vulnerable to decisions of developers and businesses to hargate this data. Mitigating biases in AI models is also another challenge, as the products of these could have social impacts, such as reinforcing inequalities and discrimination. While there are additional challenges, I remain optimistic that we can collectively find solutions. Researchers, policymakers, industry leaders, and the communities all can collaborate to address each challenge. As much as AI can produce impressive works, people are the creative and brilliant ones.
Shifting gears a bit, let's delve into the realm of medical information. How can innovative approaches in medical information maintain a balance between data collection and patient privacy?
Patient or any customer privacy is one of the most important priorities to train, adhere to, and uphold at ProPharma. Our comprehensive, robust data privacy policy is backed by a dedicated privacy office and security measures by the security office. And of course, all are compliant with the local privacy regulations globally. As a medical information team, we are transparent about why and how we collect and use data with patients and their representatives. Patients have right to grant or revoke permissions for our use of their data. We only collect a minimal amount of information we need to fulfill our services and meet the regulatory requirements. In the past couple of years that we expanded our communication routes with patients from the traditional call center to multi-channel and omni-channel models, we ensured that data from these channels was encrypted, data loss prevention protocols, incident and disaster recovery response plans were implemented, and access control is within organization, and we also added access control mechanisms such as user privilege and the multi-factor authentications. We maintain a proactive stance by conducting regular audits to ensure that data is consistently handled in a privacy-compliant manner and that our security measures remain effective. And we understand that data security to ensure our patients' privacy is an ongoing process. So we stay updated with the latest technologies, emerging trends, potential risks, regulatory changes, and constantly adapt and enhance our security measures in step with our evolving communication advancement. Patients and customers' trust and privacy are paramount to ProPharma.
Building on that, are there any successful case studies of cross-industry partnerships that have driven improvements in medical information?
Yes. At ProPharma, our medical information division served as a pivotal contact center, providing scientific and clinical information regarding medical products to healthcare providers, patients, and the general public. Our team is composed of more than 700 medical information specialists. Many of them are multilingual and has a background in healthcare. They excel in comprehending and conveying complex medical and scientific information to our diverse customer base. This cannot happen unless we have ways to connect to them, record our exchanges, check the information, and so forth. To achieve this, we collaborate with a range of specialized partners in telephony, database management, and various software vendors. These partnerships enable us to create robust channels for engaging with our customers and delivering our knowledge and services. In today's contact center landscape, our mission extends far beyond merely handling phone calls and emails. We embrace various communication avenues to engage our customers, and each new channel we adopt results from partnership with industry leaders in their respective fields. Globally, we proudly serve more than 200 pharmaceutical and biotech clients, spanning from local startups to major global pharma. What truly sets our success apart is the enduring relationship we share with most of our clients. Many of them have trusted us over 10 years. These long-standing partnerships exemplify the success case studies that illustrate our ability to continually evolve alongside our cross-industry collaborators. Together, we remain dedicated to delivering accurate and complete medical information and excellent customer service.
Thank you for speaking about those cross-industry partnerships. Now, I'd like to ask you both how you see advancements in AI, machine learning, or natural language processing shaping the future of pharmacovigilance and medical information management.
I guess I will go first. I will talk about pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance, or PV, is the field of science that monitors, detects, and prevents adverse drug reactions to improve patient safety. Collection and analysis of large amounts of safety data from various sources and across regions and countries can be a very challenging task, especially when it's being manually assessed or processed for pharmacovigilance activities. Recent advances in medical informatics and artificial intelligence can allow more efficient ways to collect, process, and analyze large amounts of safety data for drug companies and regulatory authorities across the world. Some advancements that I could see artificial intelligence being very useful in pharmacovigilance activities are collection of timely safety data from online social discussion forums to detect adverse drug reactions and safety signals. Utilizing artificial intelligence for literature searches is another great example where AI can assist human experts in the detection of valid individual case safety reports, which are also known as ICSRs for PV. Automatically coding up adverse event reports can enhance drug safety science and make processing more efficient for PV. With the use of algorithms, automated processes, and automated surveillance, AI can play a vital role in clinical trials and marketed drugs with prediction and monitoring of adverse events. With real-time alerts and surveillance, this magnifies opportunities to enhance patient care in various settings and not just pharmacovigilance. However, pharmacovigilance deals with very sensitive data and patient safety. That means more studies will be needed to validate the reliability and performance of artificial intelligence, machine learning, or natural language processing used in real-life settings in order to maximize the use of artificial intelligence in pharmacovigilance and surveillance activities.
And I'll add something about our medical information. Medical information serves as a contact center dedicated to disseminating scientific knowledge to the public. The impact of AI, machine learning, and NLP on our field is profound. Within our organization, we've already integrated technologies such as speech-to-text, AI voice generation, AI translation, workforce management, and automatic line testing. These innovations have significantly enhanced the efficiency of our contact center operations, benefiting both our customer interactions and internal processes. I believe that there are so many more to adopt to alleviate administrative burdens and ensure that customers have access to the information fast. For example, AI-powered search and retrieval can quickly provide our customers with relevant and accurate medical information from our databases that house myriad of information. AI-powered analytics will lead us to trends, sentiments, and other insights much faster than manual collection, categorization, and analysis of data. AI technology can be applied to quality control for instant feedback and correction. AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants can provide healthcare providers, patients, and the general public with relevant medical information with a 24/7 availability. As Priyanka said, rigorous validation studies are important and needed, especially concerning data privacy, security, and ethical considerations. It is imperative that we integrate these technologies with the commitment to safeguarding sensitive information and maintaining ethical standards.
Great. And Priyanka, can you discuss any challenges or opportunities related to harmonizing safety information across different regulatory agencies and regions?
Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field of technology and can be instrumental in transforming the ways adverse event reporting is performed across the globe and can help improve pharmacovigilance operations throughout organizations, countries, and different regions. This revolution in data extraction process from various sources can help drug developers access specific online discussion forums data more efficiently for PV purposes. As mentioned before, automated processing of ICSRs are great examples of how recent advances in medical informatics can be leveraged to collect and process large amount of data across different regions to improve PV activities. However, it has its own challenges and limitations. Pharmacovigilance is a highly regulated world, and different countries have different reporting requirements and safety requirements. This could be a challenge when utilizing artificial intelligence to analyze data from different regions of the world. Processing of large amount of data from across regions can also be very costly and may yield results with low accuracy. Reliability and source of the data is another limitation. The amount of data that is accessible from different regions may be limited, or the data may be of low quality, which can affect the accuracy and reliability of the results. Successful application of artificial intelligence would be dependent on the availability of high-quality, reliable data, and some data collection standards would have to be set in order to collect usable data to avoid inaccurate reporting, under or over reporting within PV. Data bias is another limitation. Data bias across different regions and lack of diverse data is another limitation that we face, especially from regions of the world where data may be misrepresented. The amount of data available for analysis from some regions and population subgroups may be limited. Ethical consideration must also be taken into account when dealing with the sensitive nature of data that is used for pharmacovigilance activities and drug development. When analyzing and collecting large amounts of data, there is a risk that sensitive personal information could be accessed or misused. Despite all the challenges, artificial intelligence can definitely be leveraged to make safe and effective therapies available to the patients faster across the world. However, further research is needed to fully understand the benefits and challenges of using artificial intelligence in harmonizing PV activities across different regions and regulatory agencies.
Great! Thank you very much, Priyanka and Valerie, for speaking with us today.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us.
We look forward to learning more about ProPharma's work in the fields of medical information and pharmacovigilance. Thank you all for joining us for this Xtalks Spotlight feature. We hope you enjoyed the discussion.